Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone with Windows 11. So if you guys want to sync your phone with Windows 11 for seamless file transfer, notifications, and calls, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily connect your Android or iPhone to Windows 11 using phone link and other methods. So what you need to do is just open the phone link apps on your computer. You can click on search and just search for phone link. Okay, so this is the phone link option. You can just click on it. Then just wait until it's open. So in here, you can just tap on this, click on get started. And in here you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. So you need to give access on your mobile device. Phone link needs your permission to show content from your mobile device on your PC. So you can just check the notifications to start. So by using this, you can use your mobile device from your PC, such as make calls, keep up with conversations, and view your chats. You just need to choose your device, whether it's Android or iPhone. And after that, just follow the instructions to uh, link it. You can see the steps in here. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.